Cebu Blue Pothos is a species of flowering plant that is evergreen with perennial vines that is native to the Cebu Islands of the Philippines and commonly found in Asian, North Australian, and European countries. There are two unique growth phases of the Cebu Blue Pothos, juvenile and mature. The juvenile phase is the most recognizable and is characterized by the familiar small, elongated oval leaves that are silvery blue-green in color. The mature phase is usually only observed in plants that are grown outdoors and is characterized by larger green leaves that develop fenestrations over time. Other differences are the juvenile plants are terrestrial, whereas the adult plants are epiphytic climbers. For Cebu Blue Pothos care, use well-draining soil by adding perlite, vermiculite, and sand. Make sure your pothos gets medium light and water when the soil is dried out by giving it a good soak until the water comes out of the drainage holes of the pot. Keep temperatures between 60 degrees and 90 degrees Fahrenheit. There are various reasons why you should put your Cebu Blue Pothos in the same pot as another plant. First, you can save space and have two or more plants in the same container. Also, you can have these companion plants support each other. You can also combine two plants with the same care requirements together so it's easier to grow different kinds of plants. You can also make your Cebu Blue Pothos more interesting by adding another plant that can break the monotony of its silvery blue or green leaves. For instance, the Dracaena has the same requirements as your Cebu Blue Pothos. You will not have to fret about overwatering one of them while underwatering the other. They also prefer medium to low light and are not voracious feeders. As such, it's okay to put them together in the same pot and care for both in the same way. Plus, the pothos can climb on the Dracaena, which makes it look interesting. Unfortunately, the Cebu Blue Pothos is considered toxic to both cats and dogs, so be sure to keep it out of reach if you have pets at home.